Welcome to the heart of Castleshaw, where history meets coffee in the most delightful way. In this video, we're diving into the charming world of Cavallo Coffee Box, a cosy haven nestled in the breathtaking moorland landscape. Whether you're a coffee connoisseur or just in search of your next peaceful retreat, you're in for a treat. Let's explore the stories, the brews, and the beauty that make Cavallo more than just a coffee stop. It's a local gem with a view you won't forget.
This is my actual old horse box. The horses were retired, we weren't using it, so we converted it. We had it converted in Birmingham to this. Been here about 4 years, just coming up to 4 years. I was cabin crew before, and I worked at Heathrow, and I lost my job during COVID, and I worked in a little cafe in Upper Mill, and I just started thinking I should do something for myself. Years. We open mainly school holidays and weekends in the afternoons. It serves walkers. A lot of people walk up from Delft, a lot of regulars. People come on bikes, motorbikes. Horses, we have an area for horses at the back. We do a big Halloween, so we have loads of scarecrows up in Halloween, so that's very popular. Charity events as well. So far this year we've raised 200 for the air ambulance with an Easter egg, guess the number of eggs in the bottle, and then we do a big sponsored walk all around the skyline, and that's raised 1,150 for mountain rescue so far. And then we'll have a dog show later on in summer, and we do another sponsored walk, a shorter one. So it's really nice. It's a really lot of nice people that come here. We get a lot of regulars, all outdoor people, hence why we do mountain rescue and the air ambulance a lot. It's a nice walk up the valley from Delft, the Roman fort's just up the hill, the reservoirs. There are loads of nice walks that I can tell people if they don't know. And yeah, so it's nice, it's an enjoyable thing to do as well.